breath in the air, controller cold in my steady hands. City asleep beneath frozen stars, I launch alone as midnight ends. Altitude rising, horizon still dark. Motors hum like a whispered vow. One more minute then light will spark. I'm waiting now, I'm waiting now. I caught the sun before it knew the year. First gold on snow, crystal and clear. From silent streets to mountains high, my wings held watch while others slept inside. This is how a new world begins. This is how a new world begins. This is how a new world begins. Screen glows warm with data streams. Battery low, but I won't turn back there. On the edge of night's last scene, the sky cracks open, no going back. Lands wide open, frame locked tight. Every pixel drinks the dawn. No prayer needed, just perfect sight. The future's born. The future's born. I caught the sun before it knew the year. First gold on snow, crystal and clear. From silent streets to mountains high, my wings held watch while others slept inside. This is how a new world begins. This is how a new world begins. This is how a new world begins. They'll say it's just a machine, but I felt the sky leaning when the light hit my drone's white shell. It kissed the future and rang like a bell. I caught the sun before it knew the year. First